everyone. Happy Tuesday. Mrs. K couldn't make it today, so it's just me. So there's a few things that I do want to share with you. First thing is, today is Tuesday, April -6 plus 11, which would give you 5. Happy Cinco de Mayo. It's Cartoonist Day, so go ahead and draw a picture if you like to draw cartoons, and it's Teacher Appreciation Day. Yesterday there was a ed puzzle that you guys did, and you guys did pretty well on that. There was one thing that I had to go back and fix. If you struggled on it, make sure you go back and watch the videos. Today you are doing a Go Formative, so there's a few things on that that I do want to share. So let me find that for you. All right. So on the Go Formative, no idea how to find it. It'll take me a minute. All right. Okay, so the Go Formative will look something like this, where there's a question and then a spot for you to write your answers. I would recommend having a sheet of paper out and doing the questions on there, because these are questions that you should not be able to do in your head. I couldn't even do them in my head. So if you scroll through, there's all these different equations that you are going to solve. And some of them look a little strange or something that you're not too familiar with. So that's the kind that I'm going to go over with you. All right. So if we look at this question, x plus 4 over 3 equals 6. Now, if that's confusing to you, remember, if it's written in terms of a fraction, this is the same as saying x plus 4, and then take that whole quantity and divide it by 3. So remember, the first thing that you would want to do to solve that would you want to undo divide by 3, which would mean you would multiply both this side and this side by 3, and then continue to solve that. The second thing I want to remind you of is questions that look like this. 8 minus 10x equals -32. Remember, you're trying to get x by itself. So if you cover up this whole section, you need to get rid of the 8. So I'm going to subtract 8 on this side, as well as I'm going to subtract 8 on this side. Remember, to maintain equality, you do the same thing on one side as you do to the other. When you do that, 8 minus 8, this would equal 0. And -32 minus 8 would be a -40. So now I want you to pay attention that this negative sign drops down to be a -10x. And some of you are thinking, well, I thought it was a minus x or minus 10x. Well, remember, minus 10x is equivalent to a -10x. If that's confusing to you, remember, you could always rewrite this to say 8 plus -10x. From here, you would then just continue to solve for x by dividing. Okay, so I did want to show you a few of those. Hopefully that helps. There are quite a few problems that you do need to solve for the Go Formative. But again, just take it step by step. If you need help, go back and review maybe on Khan Academy, or look up equations online, or feel free to message myself or Mrs. K for extra help. We will be having another Zoom meeting on Wednesday. If you are able to make it, pop in and say hi. And you can ask any questions. So keep up the good work. I look forward to seeing what you guys are doing this week. All right, that's all I got for you. Have a good day.